Hi, my name is Lauren Kitchen from Otterbein University, and today I will be talking about how you can reuse your K-cups as well as the coffee inside. The first thing that you're going to want to do is remove the foil from the top of your K-cup. You can do this by hand. If you need to do it with scissors, that's totally fine too. I would do it over a bowl because the coffee will go everywhere. Once you have removed the foil off the top of the coffee, you're going to want to pour it into a bowl. And you may need a spoon or a fork to go ahead and try to get rid of as much of the coffee inside as you possibly can. There is going to be a filter inside the K-cup, but don't worry, that's all right to stay there. It's no big deal. As you can see, I've removed most of the coffee now. So now you can use this as well as your coffee mixture mixed with dirt, more dirt than coffee, and you can plant your sprouts in it. And so as you grow your seeds, you can plant them in there. I have quite a few that are growing my seeds from my garden. And so once those are done growing, I will go ahead and take them out and put them in the garden. So that's how you can reuse your K-cup. How you can reuse the coffee is by either using it in your compost or sprinkling it into your garden. So I recommend covering your top layer of either your raised beds or where you're going to be planting with the coffee that you have collected in your bowl, and then mixing it in a bit so that it's not just laying on the top. It can improve your drainage, it can attract earthworms, it's possible that it can suppress weeds, types of things like that, and it's really good for your soil. So it will help your plants grow. Thank you for watching my video on how to reuse your K-cups.